what equals 12?
2. And we multiply 12 by 2.
No, not 12 by 2. And we're starting to begin because this is 6. If this is times 2, then this is times 6 times 1, 6 times 2.
6 times 3.
If you get an answer or you need help, you can consult your shoulder partner. Once you get an answer, compare your answers to your shoulder partner. Alright, what did you multiply here? You multiplied 6 times. What did you multiply 6 times? We're gonna 2. Let's see if we can go in order. So if this is 2, this should be 6 times.
You can simplify.
1, that's 2, this is
28.
6 times. This way. Now, is this an equivalent ratio? Alright, let's see if we can put this in order.
6 then times 2 would be 12 and 20 times 2 is 40. Because 2 then would be
Oh, I like the way you're working today, man.
and multiply 6 again.
That's like half of something broken, right? So then that
6 and 20.
then what would be the next one?
Would be that times 2.
And it would be times 3.
How do you know?
Oh, thanks. Because that's times 2. Because that's the beginning.
How you know how you got that? You think
What if-
they tell me- Alright, don't go there. How you got it?
36. Thanks, I can't see it. No, you still could do it. Still could 20. 6 times 2.
I'm gonna ask you about this. Okay. Alright. And then I'm gonna ask you about this, remind me. And this is where you divided.
Okay.
Now, I like how you did your multiplication up here. So if this is division, how do I go from here to here?
You divide by 2.
By what?
2.
Put that there. So what you divided by, just like you're on top. That way you understand what you did. We know we have to overcome. So let's look at this. It says a 1 liter bottle of cola contains approximately 34 ounces. How many of you are thrown off by it saying a 1 liter bottle? Piper says I was. And Alex, just other stuff in the That's how mad Alex is about it.
Alex, like, I don't get it,
So Chloe and Piper said this threw me off because I don't have anything to compare this to. So what we do have is our ratio table here. And on my ratio table, on my tape diagram, I have ounces and I have grams. Do I have enough ounces at my table right now to equal 1 liter? Right now on my table, do I have enough ounces that it would equal 1 liter?
No, sir.
No. So what do I need to do to my table? Extend it. Alright? Extend it until I get something that is approximately how much? Because that equals 1 liter. Even though I don't have a liter, I get close to it. So let's extend our table. Remember, I'm not an artist.
like Alex drawing 3D boxes.
I need Alex to draw 3 boxes. Okay? What is my next ratio in my 24 over 80? Then what's the next one? 30 over. And then what's the next one? 100 and. Do I need to go any further? Because I'm looking for a focal point of 34 ounces. And I want to know the sugar, 34 ounces. So what? Approximately 120. Why? Because it's 34 closer to 30 or 36? It's closer to 36, so therefore I'm looking at 120 grams of sugar. How many have we got that? You can work work with both of them. Y'all can share ideas.
Wait, that equals 6. So 36. And since it's 40 for 12, I was saying that we did 40 times 3.
Alright,
I didn't do that. Wait,
need some help.
okay.
So what's our question?
So you want to do any of it? Okay. I'll take it through. So 12 equals 40.
Oh, you got
40 grams of sugar.
I just want to use my marker.
And so there's 34, and that's close to
You
36.
don't have to worry. Well,
So I was
use
thinking
the double number line
since
if you
that's
prefer.
every 12,
That's fine.
then-
You want to use the
then
double
I
number
think I
line.
can get an exact
So we have
answer
to work
because
together.
it says right there 34 and 12, and 1/3 of 12 is and
This is a 1 liter bottle.
1/3 of 12 is 4 grams of sugar. I'm thinking that's like 4 grams
So
of
what we
sugar.
gotta do, what in our thing is
Wait, okay, so it's 40,
this is
and since it's 34,
ounces.
so
right
since
here.
the
So I have to get my ounces.
I would
for what
say
ounce
it would, since that equals 120, then I would say it would probably be around,
34. So we're gonna extend
I
our
would say it
table.
would go around like 100.
Extend our table. Check it out. Check it out. Alright, let's see what you got. You don't get this? You don't know where to start? Okay. So let's think about our comparison. First of all, when I do our cola, what unit of measure am I using with my cola?
6.
Unit of measure. What does it say? Ounces. Alright, thank you, Haley. And then sugar is in what?
Grams.
So let's make sure we label whatever we can label. That way I know what I'm working with, everybody else knows what I'm working with. There's no question. Now it's asking me how many grams of sugar is in 1 liter. Well, what is the ratio when I look at liters to ounces?
620.
6 liters to ounces. How many ounces are in 1 liter? According to the question, don't look at me, I ain't reading on my face. 34 to what? 34 ounces to what? Blank liter. To 1 liter. So, do I have liters on my table? I don't have liters on my table, but I do have what? Ounces. So can I extend, let's think about this. Can I extend this? And can I get something that is close to 34? Alright, let's try it. I want you to extend your table and see if you can get something close to 34. If you did 6 times 1 here, and 6 times 2 here, and 6 times 3 here, what do you think's gonna go here? 6 times 4, and I'm working in ounces.
So kind of like we did on the double number.
Yes, like we did on
Kept
the...
counting until we got that.
Yes, because this is in multiples of what?
30 times 6.
And this
And
is
then
in
would you
multiples of...
divide this by that number?
Well, no, I don't divide it by that number. Why? Because this is equal to this. I like the way you're thinking, I get what you're saying. So if I find something that's close... Alright, now we've got the bottom. Now we gotta get the top. Help me fill out this bottom right here. What goes here?
25, 30, 35.
30, 35, then I get 40. Okay? So let's think about strategy. I'm scaling the bottom by 5. Does that mean I scale the top by 5?
No, you can scale it by.
What? How do I get from 6 to 12? How do I determine what the top is?
Go by 2.
Alright, so that's, you're saying 6, 8, 10, 12.
Yeah. But you have to add.
Haley's saying no. Haley, why are you saying no?
Because there's 5, and if you go by 2, it's going to be 8, 10, and then that one is going to be 12, and you already have a 12.
I already have a 12, so I can't do 2s. What's the number that I could use?
1.
So you're saying 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's what I was just gonna say.
Well, let's think about this for a second. Alright, let's think about this for a second. I want you to talk with a shoulder partner. Don't worry about answers. Just think about that. Talk with a shoulder partner and think about it. See if there's a way that you can determine how I get there. I got 6, 12, 25.
Because 6, 12, 8 times 3 and a half.
Well, it's not.
Look, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wait, 1 and a half.
Once again, no word pressure.
1 and a half.
Oh, you've been getting this all week. You got this all
That's 9. 10 and a half. Those two 12. And 6. And 6 was 3.
Yeah, you think this one. This is making me think this is all not nice and pretty.
Then you would have.
How many from 6 to 12? How many choices is that? And I want you to use a double number line. Now, I'm not going to give you a ruler. That sounds like I'm being a meanie, but I want you to use whatever resources you have. If you have a pencil, maybe graph paper, line paper, your finger, whatever you may need to use, but you've actually got to make a measurement. I want you to read the question. I want you to model your solution using a double number line. I want you to model your solution using a double number line. Yes, this is your group thing. You work together. Remember, as we work in groups, I want you to get your answer, and then you have to collaborate and come to a consensus on one answer. And once you get your one answer, you raise your hand and I will come check it. But do not raise your hand if you do not have your answer. And it is not the same as everyone else in your group. Now, yeah, you can. All right. I was up here before we start because I want to go over this with you. I was up here. It says, what is the distance between Lakeview and Hillside? So, you know that Miss Joy and I are traveling next week. Alright, we're going to California next week. And we've been looking at distances. So, when you travel, you look at distance. And now, you may not care about it so much right now. The only thing you care about is you hear this question, over there yet? Over there yet? Over there yet? Over there. And your parents say, go back to sleep. So, we're gonna use this problem and we're gonna try to determine how long, we're going to determine the distance between Lakeview and Hillside. Because that's 2.5. What's your other ratio? Adam, do you know your other ratio? You've got 2.5 on the bottom. Share with her why you think that.
Because each space because one, let's say you measure this and you measure one space and it's 2.5. Okay, now you know.
That's why where were you group? Come on. Adam, I like your explanation of the other day. She starts at 6. Where did you start at and why did you start at it? Share right here, Adam.
If you start at 1, because one space equals 2.5. So 2.5 is one space.
Because it's 2.5. Oh, no, I didn't. Wait, listen. Because nothing is exactly the same. Yeah, good point. Actually, it's in the middle of one of the centimeters. To be completely honest. So, round it. What? Yeah, we should round it where it's 1. Because that's about as good as we're going to get. My answer is 10.2. Because since it's 9 tenths on it, and it's 0.205, I thought that I would just take out the 5 for the 1/10 that it's missing. Doesn't that seem reasonable?
Look, see, look, so if you take the sticky note and then you do it, there would be like half of 2.5, so it would be like 1.5. I probably went too far because I went like that. Yeah, because that's too big of a space between the four. I did like a sticky note and then I drew the line on the edge of it and I put it on the
Yeah, I still think it's 2.5.
You did the same thing as that.
Yeah, and look, that has a gap there, and that overlaps, so if you push that down, it'll
Look at
equal.
me in the eyes. I swear I don't have it.
I don't have it.
Destiny had it earlier. She was drawing 4, 5,
I put it back. I promise.
I mean 13.0 because it was 6 and on my number line it was 3 and 7.5 is third and 7.5 is 7.5.
So we have 3 different answers.
Okay.
14.5, 20, and 15. So, now,
Oh,
what we need to do is we
number
need
10,
to look
it's
at
10.0.
our work, compare our
Number,
work.
okay, so it goes 2.5, 5.0, 7.5, 10.0,
And let's see
12.5.
if we can come up with a answer that's the same.
We got
2.5,
15.0.
Austin may be right.
7.5,
Austin may be right. You 3 may be right. I want you to look and evaluate your work. Look for the percentage.
Now you see?
That I measured correctly, that I multiplied correctly, and let's examine each other's work with respect to each other. Alright? And let's see if we get a
Hey, I knew we couldn't get a 11.5.
alright, so examine your work. Yes.
Well, you were right, but I don't think you is that. So we do 2.
Ask them what they
It's
did.
15. It's 15 miles. 2.0 miles because 2.5 times 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. And since it's a decimal, it's just a regular 3. And it goes up, and then 6 times 2 equals 12, and 12 plus 3
Show
equals
them what, I
15.
like what you did.
And then you bring down the decimal and get 15.0.
Okay, wait, tell me.
Okay, I took the scale and put it on the corner of a piece of paper and measured Lakeview to Hillside. 6, and I got 6. So 6, 25, 2.5 miles go into the distance between them. So times 6 by 2.5 and you get 15.
Can you agree with that, Nathan? You sure? Positive. So y'all feel pretty confident about 15?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna give you your extension question, or make another line down there, that way you can do it. Alright, this is your extension question while everybody else is working. Bobby is traveling at 60 miles per hour. How long will it take? 60 miles per hour. How long will it take him to make this journey?